Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses variables to represent unknown values. It comes from an Arabic word that means restoration of broken parts. When is algebra used? Since algebra is used in so many places, I could not list all of the places that you may use algebra, so I've just listed a few. Algebra is especially used to make predictions. If you wanted to predict how many bunny rabbits you will have in 5 years, if you have 2 right now, you will need to use algebra to solve that. Algebra can be used to calculate spendings. How much will you spend on your water bill in 5 months? Use algebra to solve that. In construction work, the Egyptians used algebra to construct their pyramids, to see how tall their pyramids should be, how wide their pyramids should be, where their pyramids should be located. They needed to use algebra. And algebra is used in several sciences, especially physics and chemistry. The development of algebra. The Egyptians, like I said earlier, used algebra to build their pyramids. They focused on linear equations. But the Babylonians, during the same time period, were focused on exponents and quadratic equations, which are based off a little bit of linear equations. The father of algebra was a Persian mathematician. He wrote about in his book, the compendious book on calculation by completion and balancing. He wrote about simplifying and solving linear and quadratic equations. He also explained how to use variables to stand for not found values. A Greek mathematician called Diophantus also explained about variables. What topics are included in algebra? I have listed a few, not all, of the topics included in algebra. Algebra includes variables, exponents, linear equations, inequalities, polynomials, logarithms, and trigonometry.